Hello everyone, I'm Coldy, and today I will be taking apart this pair of earbuds. The first part is that I will be taking apart this one. I'll be using this, so let's start. Fuck. We'll take some attempts until we can finally crack them up. Oh, no, I did. And there it is. Okay, so now we shall cut this and go look for this magnet. This is the magnet we want. Let's put the recording on pause. Okay, here we go. Now that we have taken this apart, we'll cut this. Be very careful with the battery. We'll also cut this. Okay, there it is, the battery. And if we want to take it apart further, it doesn't really matter since there's nothing else to look for. Here, you see, there are no more magnets. This is not a magnet, and this is also not a magnet. However, this is a magnet, and this is very useful. So we'll be taking it. I should. Okay. And now we have taken our magnet. See? It's a magnet. So we shall now go with the second step, the case. Everything else we can kind of toss it here. And so the places where you can find a magnet are here. There's not a really good way to take this apart as for it will. There it is. I have to put this here now. We have to go and excuse me. I'm taking it hard, and it's done. And now we shall pull it out. There it is. You seeing it? It's nice, isn't it? Okay, we have here battery. And we have the rest of the components. We'll take this off. Are sure? Please be very careful with this, with the batteries. Any kind of batteries, even if they are not lithium. I recommend you that. But I really don't recommend you to take earbuds apart. If you don't want the magnets. I really want them for basically no reason. There it is. I've taken this, and in this, guess how many magnets can we find here? And the answer is 0 magnets. So we'll put this here. In the case there's no more magnets, frig it. We'll go for that later. And here are the magnets, 2 magnets to be precise. So we will be taking them. Let's see if we can loosen it up. The important part is to be strong enough to take these magnets off the. There it is. It's kind of full of this shit. Um, the parts of the case, but we can take it off. It's just a pile of rubbish, if you know that word. We shall now take the other magnet. Not there. Okay, it's gonna become easier now once we break everything else. I recommend doing this if you want magnets, but only if you have earbuds that you don't use anymore, because earbuds tend to be more expensive than magnets, singular magnets. But since you're not buying singular magnets so frequently, and if you have a bunch of magnets that don't work, there it is. I recommend you taking some of your earbuds apart. Be careful though, and make sure they don't work. Come here. Okay, now we've got 3 magnets. From a common case, we'll get 4, but since I had already taken apart one of the magnets, one of the earbuds, then it doesn't, we won't get 4. And this is the result of it. Thank you for listening and for staying here this much time. I know the Coldykartz channel can sometimes be difficult. More when I'm doing stupid shit like this. And that's it. This is a kind of a very improvised video. I just wanted to show you these magnets. I imagine not most of the time the things will be off camera. My fingers obviously smell like metal from, kind of taking apart magnets, and that's one interesting thing. I would love to learn about, I would love to learn. I would love to learn about how to check on these earbuds and how to repair them, because I feel like if you get the parts from another earbud, I guess you should be able to repair them, but since no one takes the time to repair like $15 to $20 earbuds or even cheaper, no one just expect them to work so much time. But I think it's nice to know that you can repair your own earbuds. I suppose I shall look up tutorials on YouTube on how to do, take apart the earbuds and repair them. That's all. Thank you for everything.